Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the left lung segmental anatomy. So this is the picture showing the segmental anatomy of left lung. So these two views, this is actually the AP view, this is left posterior oblique view, and this is left lateral view showing the segmental bronchi of the left lung. So if you see in the left lung, we have 10 bronchopulmonary segments, and we have the left lung is divided into only two lobes. So there is an upper lobe and there is a lower lobe. Okay, again upper lobe is divided into two divisions. We have the upper division and then we have the lower division. Okay, now so if you see the bronchopulmonary segments in the upper division are only two. Actually, there are three. So if you see 1, 2, 3, this is nothing but apico-posterior segment. 1 to 3 bronchus will supply the apico-posterior segment of the right lobe, left apico-posterior segment of the upper segment of left lung. Okay, so this 1 to 3 it supplies the upper posterior upper division, apico-posterior segment of upper division of upper lobe of left lung. Then we have anterior division. This is actually the bronchi which is 2, which is anteriorly. It supplies the anterior division of upper lobe of left lung. So this is anterior division. Here we have this is anterior division which is supplying the anterior. This is anterior segmental bronchi which supplies the anterior division of upper lobe of left lung. Then we have lower division of upper lobe. Upper lobe is actually divided. So if you see the lung, first we will see the lung. So this is, I'll draw left lung. So this is the left lung. Left lung is actually divided into two things. We have upper lobe and we have lower lobe. Now upper lobe is again divided into two segments, two like divisions. We have upper division and then we have lower division. Okay, so upper division, sorry, this one. Upper division is divided into two parts. We have apico-posterior segment and we have anterior segment. This is apico-posterior segment. Then we have in the lower division, we have medial segment and we have lateral segment. Or you can say superior, not medial and lateral. Actually, medial and lateral is in right lung. But here lower segment is divided, lower division is divided into superior segment and inferior segment, which are supplied by fourth and fifth bronchi. Lower lobe is again divided into superior segment, which is sixth. Then we have medial basal segment, which is 7. Then we have anterior basal segment, which is 8. And then we have lateral basal segment, which is 9. And then we have posterior basal segment, which is 10. This is in anti-clockwise direction. So if you see T-segmental bronchi distribution, so we have seen already the second one. See, this is first to 3, which is actually supplying the apical and posterior segments of upper lobe of left lung. Then we have the second bronchus, second segmental bronchus, which is supplying the anterior segment of upper division of left lung. Then we have fourth. This fourth is actually the superior. This is actually superior segment of lower division of upper lobe of left lung. This is superior division in the lower division, superior segment in the lower division of upper lobe of left lung. Similarly, this fifth one is actually inferior. This fifth bronchi supplies the inferior segment of lower division of upper lobe of left lung. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is superior, 7 is medial basal, 8 is not here, it is seen here. 8 is actually anterior basal, 9 is posterior basal, and 10 is 9 is lateral basal. 9 is lateral basal, 10 is posterior basal. So it's not important to remember where each bronchi is and what are the different variations we are going to learn, because there will be hundreds and thousands and different types of variations of each of the bronchus in its position and everything. So you don't need to remember this thing, but what you actually have to remember are these bronchopulmonary segments. So if you see the bronchopulmonary segments, the left lung is divided into upper lobe and lower lobe. Upper lobe is again divided into upper division and lower division. Upper division has segments, a pico, posterior segments which supplies the bronchus 1, 2, 3. There is anterior segment which is supplied by bronchus 2. Lower division of upper lobe of left lung is divided into superior and inferior segments. Superior segment is supplied by the bronchus 4 and it belongs to lower division of upper lobe of left lung. Similarly, inferior segment is supplied by bronchus B5, which is belongs to lower division of upper lobe of left lung. Similarly, the lower lobe is divided into 5 segments. There are no divisions in between for lower lobe. Lower lobe is divided into superior segment, which is supplied by 6th bronchus, medial basal, anterior basal, lateral basal, and posterior basal, which are supplied by 7, 8, 9, 10 segmental bronchi. Thank you.